wig lover, this is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of the Gianna wig by Margu in the color 16H. This one is a medium ash blonde that has some lighter ash blonde on top, so you can tell it's quite ashy. It doesn't really have much in the way of gold in it at all. The 14H is warmer. The 14H, though it's not like an amber blonde, it's not like a ginger blonde or anything, but it has a honey blonde base, so it's a little bit warmer. So anyhow, Gianna is a cute little kind of curly, shaggy cut. Let me go ahead and do a 360 so you can see what this one looks like on all sides. This one's real professional looking, I think. It's 2.4 ounces, so it's extremely lightweight. The bang is 4 inches. It is a great bang, by the way. It stays out of my eyes really well. The nape is 4.5 inches, so really good coverage back there considering how short it is. So she's got a lot of layering and a lot of texture. Let me go ahead and take Gianna off now so I can show you the cap construction. Here's that color up close. You can see no gold. She's quite ashy. So we've got, ooh, neat. This one has a generous, deep lace front on it with a monofilament top and kind of a nifty feature. There's a little bit of silicone on the seam in between the lace front and the monofilament top. We've also got a bit of permatease back here behind the crown to help prop up the style a little bit. We've got open wefts on the side and in the back, as well as an extended nape with Velcro adjusters, and we also have felt on the ear tabs. This one is basically the definition of a shake and go. So really easy to wear shag that has some very nice cap features as I just showed you. Let me show you what this lace front looks like when I get her back on. She's super easy to wear. Grab those ear tabs, make sure she's in the right place. Like there's that lace front. Margu makes some very nice lace fronts. And here is what the mono top on this one looks like, even though it's kind of hard to tell because it's so dense. And you know what? This actually looks a little bit like, I don't know if you remember like Drew Barrymore when she had short hair back in the 90s, but it reminds me of that. Like I feel like I should have like a daisy clip right here or something. But I mean, it does kind of look like that, especially in this color. So it has the potential to be really cute and you can do a lot with her. So don't be dismissive just because she's short and has this texture, because you can actually do a lot with a wig like this. But yeah, oh my gosh, it is. You could totally put like a clip there. This has been my review of the Gianna wig by Margu in the color 16H. I'm Heather, I'm from CysterWigs.com, that's CysterWigs.com. Thank you so much for watching my wig reviews. Hopefully you like them. If you do, please subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you next time.